All right, we are back into the laboratory again. So today I'm going to put the rear main seal on and the rear main seal housing. But first I've got to do the, it's going to be tricky because I'm going to put the hangers on and then I'm going to get it on the cherry picker over there, and then I'm going to put it back on the cherry picker and hang it from the engine stand and put the rear main seal on and the housing. So yeah, these are 29 foot-pounds right here. This is a shiny bolt right here. Got it when I bought the car. This was missing, so yeah, these are going to be 29, these three. I never separated these two. I always kept them together to the bracket, so I never loosened it. All right, so I'm gonna get onto that. 29 foot-pounds. All right, so right now I'm gonna install the rear main seal on the housing right here. So get your grease, Toyota rubber grease. Let's see. I think that'll do it. Just leave it up, guys. Make sure if this is dirty too, clean it, grind it. Old burnt dirt. I had to get my little gun with the metal brush, the metal wire brush, and then just scrape all the old oil off. So yeah, no, this was pretty dirty. So pretty decent. Lubricant right here. There you go, guys. Put in the finger. Might as well replace it. It is a must to replace when doing an overhaul. It is not that expensive. Came with the kit. Came with the Cometic reseal kit. Got that from Drift Motion. Or you can get it from Cometic.com. Alright, guys, so pretty much that's lubed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pretty much hammer it in here. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna lay it flat and put it with the wood so it'll go in straight, just like that. All right, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna change battery. All right, it is in, guys. So pretty much what I did, I got it flat here, used a block of wood, and it was leveled with the housing, but then I looked inside more. There was like a little bit more it had to go down before it was at the bottom. So I used this. This is the ring compressor. I don't know if you guys saw this from earlier videos. Walked around the garage and I said, man, there's gotta be something to make this flat. So did that. It is a super perfect fit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is super perfect. Yeah, there is no like play at, well, there's play, but yeah, it is all the way down, guys. So all right, time to get that cherry picker out now, and I'll put this in. I'm gonna get the bolts in. They're at 9 foot-pounds. So yeah, after that, then I'm gonna get the oil pan finally. So yeah, that'll be next. All right, so the engine is back on this contraption here, of course, and I finally got the rear main housing on, but I haven't torqued it yet. We're having some issues because I think I might have misplaced the bolts, or they're somewhere here in this but I have to go to the hardware store, get some different ones. but nonetheless they fit. Same thread pitch, so same torque. You know, I don't know if you can see that I got a little gasket in between the housing, remain seal, so I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna get the oil pan on, and I am finally gonna put it back on the engine stand. I'm gonna do the valve lash last but not least, and then little odds and ends maybe, but yeah, I'm gonna get that going.